operation in Ukraine. High-precision Iskander land-based missiles near Bersama.
Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia Igor Konashenkov tanggal 12 Juli merilis rudal berbasis darat berpresisi tinggi menghancurkan peluncur sistem rudal anti kapal Harpoon buatan Amerika Serikat di dekat Berzan di wilayah Odessa. Rudal Iskander Rusia biasanya digunakan untuk menghancurkan target strategis. Rudal Iskander mampu menyerang target pada jarak antara 50 hingga 500 km dengan margin kesalahan kurang dari 10 meter. Area kehancuran dari satu hulu ledak adalah 25.000 meter persegi, atau sekitar 2 lapangan sepak bola. Igor Konashenkov juga merilis unit operasi taktis dan angkatan udara Rusia, pasukan rudal dan artileri menetralisir 3 pos komando angkatan bersenjata Ukraina, 3 depot amunisi, 97 area unit artileri Ukraina di posisi penembakan, serta 111 area konsentrasi prajurit dan peralatan militer. Dari kubu Kiev, Kemenhan Ukraina merilis 70 tentara Rusia dieliminir dalam sehari terakhir. Total 37.470 tentara Kremlin tewas sejak awal invasi tanggal 24 Februari lalu. Total 217 jet tempur dan 188 helikopter Rusia dihancurkan militer Ukraina. Termasuk 1.649 tank dan 3.829 kendaraan militer dan 15 kapal laut. Konflik Rusia dan Ukraina memasuki hari 139, belum ada tanda-tanda perdamaian.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision Iskander land-based missiles near Bersama in Odessa region have destroyed launchers of the US-made Harpoon anti-ship missile system. High-precision air-based missile strike near Artyomovsk in Donetsk People's Republic has destroyed 180 servicemen and 26 pieces of military equipment of the 30th Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces. In addition, high-precision weapons used by Russian aerospace forces have destroyed 12 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentrations, 4 ammunition depots of the 79 Airborne Assault Brigade near Matveyevka-Nikolaev region and Ukrainian Armored Vehicle Repair and Recovery Facility near Seversk. As part of counter-battery fighting, 2 platoons of Grad multiple launch rocket systems and 2 artillery platoons of Hyacinth B howitzers have been destroyed at firing positions near Dzerzhinsk, Donetsk People's Republic. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 3 command posts, 3 ammunition depots, 97 areas of Ukrainian artillery units at firing positions, as well as 111 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration. Russian air defense means have shut down 7 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Izum, Malye Prokhody, Itomnik, in Kharkov region, Slavyansk, Shandrygolova, in Donetsk People's Republic, including 1 strike drone near Nikolaev. In addition, 12 rockets of Uragan multiple launch rocket system have been intercepted near Lysychansk in Lugansk People's Republic, Brashkovka in Kharkov region, and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region. In total, 243 Ukrainian airplanes and 137 helicopters, 1,513 unmanned aerial vehicles, 354 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,046 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 741 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,135 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,165 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation. Russian Defense Ministry monitors and records by name all foreign mercenaries who have arrived in Ukraine to take part in combat operations. As we have already mentioned, contrary to the false claims of the Kiev regime about allegedly 20,000 of foreign mercenaries arriving to Ukraine, their actual number is much lower. Moreover, it is steadily declining. Over the past 3 weeks, the number of mercenaries in Ukraine has decreased from 3,221 to 2,741 as a result of the offensive actions of the units of the Russian Armed Forces and People's Militia of Lugansk and Donetsk People's Republics. During this time, despite the arrival of another 151 mercenaries, 391 militants have been killed. Another 240 wild geese rushed to flee outside Ukraine. Poland again tops the list in terms of speed and number of fighters killed during the period, with 166 Polish fighters killed. Among the Georgian representatives, 50 soldiers of fortune were killed. The United Kingdom lost another 23 mercenaries in Ukraine. Also, 21 Romanian and 15 Canadian fighters were killed in 3 weeks. Updated data on the count of foreign mercenaries currently in Ukraine has been published on the Russian Defense Ministry's information resources on the internet. Once again, the Russian armed forces are identifying foreign mercenaries even as they prepare to enter Ukraine. I will give one example. On July 6, 2 British citizens, Colin Scott and Adrian Davis, and 3 US citizens, Michael Vukovic, Andrew Fox and Oliver Schott, arrived at the Foreign Mercenary Collection and Accommodation Center located at 1 Kosmian Street in Poland's Zamość city. We advise these citizens to come to their senses and return home alive. Let me remind you that under international humanitarian law, all foreign mercenaries are non-combatants, and the best that awaits them if captured alive is a trial and maximum terms of imprisonment.